Let's talk about something that doesn't often make headlines, but absolutely shapes the products we use every day. Sanding. Whether it's smoothing the surface of a car panel, prepping a wooden cabinet for stain, or finishing a composite aerospace part, sanding is essential. It's tedious, it's dirty, it's repetitive, and for a long time, we've relied on skilled human hands to get it done. But today, I want to ask you something. Is it time to hand the sandpaper over to robots? Let's dive into why more and more manufacturers are doing just that, and how it's changing the game. First off, consistency. Human sanding is just that, human. And humans get tired. We apply pressure unevenly. We drift off angle. We miss spots. Not because we're bad at what we do, but because we're, well, human. A robotic sander doesn't get tired. It doesn't rush. It doesn't have off days. It applies the same force, the same angle, the same path, part after part, hour after hour. And when you're running high-volume production, that kind of consistency translates into fewer defects, less rework, and better surface quality every single time. Now, let's talk safety. Manual sanding is rough on the body. It generates dust that can damage lungs. It causes vibration injuries. It's repetitive, exhausting, and often downright unpleasant. By contrast, a robot sander doesn't care about dust. It doesn't mind the grind. It just keeps going, keeping your team out of harm's way and freeing them up for higher value work, programming, quality checks, innovation. And here's a big one: labor shortages. We all know the story. It's tough to find skilled labor, especially for jobs like sanding that are physically demanding and hard to retain talent for. Robots don't call in sick. They don't quit. They don't need retraining. And with collaborative platforms like OnRobot Sander and Universal Robots cobots, you can deploy robotic sanding without building a fortress of fencing or overhauling your entire line. It's plug-and-play productivity. But wait, what about the craftsmanship? Absolutely, there are still places where human touch matters. Custom woodworking, artistic finishes, intricate repair work. But for 90% of industrial sanding, flat panels, repetitive tasks, endless edges, robots aren't replacing humans. They're enhancing them. They're taking the dirty, dangerous, and dull off our plates so we can focus on work that needs a brain, not just a wrist. Here's the bottom line. If you're still relying on manual sanding for high-volume production, you're leaving money on the table and putting your team at risk. It's time to smooth out your process. Let the robots do the sanding. You focus on what only humans can do: improving, optimizing, leading. Thanks for listening. If this sparked your interest, check out our blog for real-world applications of robotic sanding and how tools like these are being used across manufacturing.